On desktop, this layout looks perfectly normal, but on mobile, something is wrong. The text is teeny. Why? Because there is no viewport meta tag. Let's add it. Now let's go back to desktop view. Nothing changes here, but on mobile, this is a big difference. The text is now readable, and the layout becomes a single column. Conclusion: without the viewport meta tag, mobile browsers render the page as if it were displayed on a desktop screen. As a result, the text appears extremely small and unreadable. With the viewport meta tag, the layout adapts to the device width, and the content becomes properly scaled and readable. Responsive layout is not only about CSS, it also depends on how the browser interprets device width. Responsive design begins with the viewport meta tag. Subscribe for more structured web development analysis. Thank you.